Hello and good morning. Welcome to Group 4's project video. In this project, we were given the task to make a traditional board game that includes a critical thinking skill. We decided to make the minigame shown in Squid Game called Marbles. But when we thought it out, it doesn't really make sense because we wanted to make a traditional board game and the Squid Game minigame Marbles doesn't match that requirement. So the second idea was to make Carom. Carom is a traditional board game found in Southeast Asia. Carom has a set of basic rules. This includes having 19 pucks on the board, not including the striker, that has half black and half white pucks, and one red puck. These pucks are aligned and organized in a certain pattern. Carom's rules actually diverge when you look into different sections of Malaysia. There are many rules in Carom, but sadly we cannot put all the rules in this one video. I recommend you to do your own research and look into Carom as it is a very fun game.
So I want to explain you guys about what the size of our carom board needs to be, because if you make it too big, then it will be hard for us to finish it, because our workload will increase and the level will not be worthy. Second of all, if you made it way too small, then it will be hard for the players hit the strikers. With this limitation set, we decided to making our board half the size of the actual carom board. We are able to balance these two factors.
So what do we do first? We first make a 3D concept so we can better visualize what we wanted to do. We used an app called Blender, and we made these really interesting 3D renders to better understand of our plan on how we are actually going to build it. Now, it's not exactly a one-to-one copy of what we did it in Blender, but it kind of serves as a reference for on how we were supposed to build. So once we're done with the rendering and everything, we get straight to building the real thing.
We have presented in front of our lecturer and my classmates. So what we have presented is our handmade carom board that made from recycled items. So it is a really good quality carom board, and it is and my classmate really enjoy playing with the carom boards in the class, and it is a really good quality carom board that made of recycled items. So in this case, recycled items are also can be used as a useful things.
Hi, my name is FAIZ, and I'll be talking about the challenges that we face in the making of this PEC final product. Okay, so we finaled up to make a carom board traditional game. So this consists of a lot of materials that is really hard to find. First of all, the bottle caps, the bottles, and also the cardboard. Yes, this seems very common nowadays, but it's really hard to find because I plan to not use any currency to pay and buy the product and the materials. We find it and we use it. Yes, and that's called recycling. But at the same time management is also a key challenge to this project making. Most of our teammates have a lot of programs that they have to attend to, so we really have to organize our time. And lastly, despite all these challenges, I think that the project was a huge success because it also improves our teamwork, our time management, our creativity, our problem solving skills, and it also proves that sustainable materials can create functional and innovative designs like what we did right here.
So, in conclusion, from what we have learned when making this board, is that recycling is very, very important because some companies and factories throws away plastic waste into the ocean. And our build actually helps show that anyone with motivation and time and teamwork can actually reduce the carbon footprint and carbon emission from factories.
So I'm going to be talking about SDGs. So the first one is responsible consumption and production. The idea of reusing recycled materials like plastic bottle and cardboard to make the carom board instead of using new materials will help reduce waste. Other one is climate action. By reusing materials will help lower pollution and reduce the environmental impact, which can help fight climate change.
Thank you for watching and listening to us explain our board game. We hope you have a fun day or night or morning. Thank you for watching.